Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's an open house video of a courtyard villa located here in the village of Virginia Trace, just south of Sumter Landing. This home is offered turnkey and has an asking price of $350,000. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello, welcome everyone. My name is Tim. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's an open house video located here in the village of Virginia Trace in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood-framed courtyard villa. I will start by taking a panoramic view of the street. Panning left, that is facing south. This is a very quiet neighborhood. And panning right, that is facing north. This home is located very near Lake Sumter Square. It has a 1.5 car garage, and it appears to be in very good condition. As always, friends, if you have any questions about this home, please contact your listing agent, Karen, at Worth Clark Realty. As I walk up to the front of this home, I do notice it has a painted concrete sidewalk, and it does have a sliding screen door. As I enter the home, in the foyer area, I notice that the kitchen and foyer does have luxury vinyl plank flooring. In this kitchen has beautiful wood cabinets, Formica countertops. It has a natural gas stove as well. And it has a 2-bowl sink right there, friends. I will spin around. It does have raised panel doors on the pantry. This home is offered turnkey, and it is list priced at $350,000. And that gives you a panoramic view of the rest of that home. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. I do appreciate it. This home is beautiful. It shows very well. Acoustic textured ceilings. Here in the living and dining area, it does have carpeting on the floors. That is a sliding patio window that leads out to the side patio. This is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom home located in the village of Virginia Trace. Off to the left, you do see a guest quarter with a sliding pocket door. This is the guest bathroom. It does have a vinyl floor, wood cabinets, 1 sink. That appears to be a solid surface sink as well. Acoustic textured ceilings. It does have a tub with a plastic or fiberglass surround as well. This home is in very good condition, very clean home. Off to the front of the home, you do have a guest bedroom with carpeted floors. That appears to be a double bed. To give you perspective of the room size, this home is very nice, very neat. Is neutrally painted, has bifold raised panel doors in this bedroom as well. Let's take a walk through the rest of this home, friends. You can see this living and dining area. I will walk out into the lanai area. You do see the lanai has painted concrete floors. Neutrally decorated. This lanai does face west, friends. That is a sliding patio door that leads into the primary bedroom. I will spin around and show you the rest of this patio. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I will show you the side of this home, friends. You do see the concrete is painted, very good condition. This is a prime location, very near Lake Sumter Square. Lots of mature landscaping. I believe those are Robolini palms. A lot of people here in the villages like Robolini palm trees. Very secluded backyard. Very well maintained. This home is maintained in pristine condition. That is your home there, friends, right there. 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, courtyard villa, turnkey, $350,000. Located in the village of Virginia Trace. I will walk into the home and show you the primary bedroom. Here's the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom does have carpeted floors. That is a queen-size bed to give you perspective, friends. Acoustic textured ceilings as well. I will spin around and show you what this bedroom looks like. There is the sliding patio door leading out into the lanai. Very large walk-in closet with carpeted floors. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Here is the primary bathroom. Looks like it has vinyl floors, wood cabinets, one sink, solid surface countertops, acoustic textured ceilings. There's your commode space. There is your shower. It appears to be a 36-inch shower. It is plastic or fiberglass. Recessed lighting in that shower. Let's take a look at what this home has to offer. As I walk through the rest of this home, I do see this home is very neutrally decorated. I'll give you one last panoramic view of this living and dining area, as well as the kitchen area. There are things in the garage. I will not video the garage. It is a 1.5 car garage. As I exit the home, as always, friends, please contact your listing agent, Karen, at Worth Clark Realty, and I will video the specification sheet for you. This home is located at 1234 Estill Avenue in the Villages, the Village of Virginia Trace. List price $350,000. Please feel free to pause the video at any point to read the specifications. This is a turnkey home. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. I will give you one last panoramic view of this home. There you have it, friends. 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, courtyard villa, wood framed, the Village of Virginia Trace, offered at $350,000. Have a great week, everyone. Take care. Thank you for taking this open home tour with me, located here in the Village of Virginia Trace. This 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom courtyard villa is offered at $350,000. Have a great week, everyone. Take care.